Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp verification failed. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being, of course, your internet connection. What you want to do is simply go ahead and try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data just to try to verify it. If you have any VPNs turned on, that is a big no-no. Simply go ahead and turn that off. And you can also turn on and turn off airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check app permissions. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open your settings and scroll all the way down to apps. Again, scroll all the way down until you find WhatsApp. And once you find WhatsApp, all you need to do is make sure that you have given all accesses right over here, even background app refresh. So once you've done that, try to restart your phone and finally try to also uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp, and that should fix all your problems. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.